I actually saw an ad come up on my iPhone. I think it was like an Instagram style ad or something like that.
Okay.
And I had done quite a bit of decompression years before, about 10 years ago in 2010 timeframe, and then with a chiropractor over in Pleasanton, and he's out of business. So I knew of the advantages of decompression. I knew that decompression would help me, and it's really helped me a lot. So I have a much better quality of life now. The program you tailored for me really helped my specific needs. So, I'm able to do more things in life now, right? I can do some part-time commercial photography. I can do some other work. I can work at my office and desk, and kind of drive in the car and be more comfortable. So the plan you worked out for me, it's really helped me a lot.
Awesome.
Which is why I signed up for a second program, as you know. So I've actually had 2 spine surgeries, and those were specifically for spinal stenosis, which typically only can be remediated through a surgical process. But as a ballet dancer, I did a lot of vertical compression on my back for a long time, and I've really found that spinal decompression really helps to both, gain more thickness in the spinal discs, make the spine function more normally, and most importantly, provide me both with much increased comfort and range of motion, more normal, natural movement. And if I can move more naturally, then my spine health is better. Right. Things like that. So I view it as a key part of my ongoing health program. And it's been a big improvement since I started coming here in my quality of life. You actually called me. We had a good dialogue on the phone. I said, I have very specific needs. Right. You were willing to listen to me about my specific needs rather than kind of fitting me into one can or the other. Right. We had a really good chat on the phone. You remember?
I remember that.
And then I said, look, I'm different. I'm not like most of your patients, and I need someone that will listen to my experience and then develop a program tailored for me. So this is why I keep coming back, right? It's helped me a lot, and we can work together. You're listening to my specific needs, because sometimes some practitioners get locked into like, this is how we do it, right? And everybody's different. My back has certainly thrown a lot of chiropractors for a loop at times in terms of like figuring out what's going on.
Right.
But, we've had a really good partnership, and that's really helped me in terms of my overall health quite a bit.
Wonderful.
Your staff has been really professional, very organized, and very disciplined about both, presenting me with choices for the plans that I want to sign up for, but also with the scheduling. You guys have been the exemplar in like reaching out to me proactively, scheduling things, letting me know, hey, we have this number of treatments left. What do you want to do going forward? So your staff has been like A+. And that's an important question, right? Because it's managing the logistics of scheduling the treatments, getting the plan together, managing the fee structure. All of that stuff is an important part of the overall plan. And you guys have been great.
Awesome, Steve.
So I'm very pleased to have found you guys. I'm hoping to work with you going forward for my, ongoing health.
Feelings mutual. Thank you, Steve.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.